Hey, if you're a Street Fighter fan, you definitely want to check out Street Fighter 6 on the PS5. This is the front of the cover. This is just the regular standard edition. And this is the back with some of the new characters and some older characters. And there you go. That's the back. This is what it looks like inside. That is the disc of the game. Great game if you like fighting games. This is definitely one for you. Has all these new characters like Luke and Kimberly, and they're very well balanced, very different. It's not like some fighting games where the characters that kind of feel the same when you use them. They're just like a different avatar, different character. But this one is great. It has that street type of feel, which it's called Street Fighter, but it has like the music. It reminds me from like Street Fighter 3 Third Strike, and in the background. The music, the gameplay, everything, the graphics, like I don't really have any complaints about this game. So definitely one you want to check out if you're a Street Fighter fan. I feel they did way better than when they released part 5. This one, they nailed it out of the park. So definitely want to check it out if you're a fan. And this is the PS5 version. And yeah, hope the review was helpful.